Today, we will practice our listening and speaking skills and also learn some interesting vocabulary and expressions. Our story for today is The Great Pyramids. Listen carefully. The Great Pyramids.
Hello, my name is Grace. I'm a world traveler. I go to the different countries around the world to visit their tourist sites. Today, I am in Cairo, the capital of Egypt. I have come here to explore the ancient pyramids. It's 10 o'clock, and I leave the hotel to join our tour group. Ahmad will be our tour guide. He has researched Egyptian history for years, and he is an expert archaeologist. We get into the car and head towards the pyramids. After an hour, we reach the pyramids. They are enormous, much bigger than I imagined. It's unbelievable. Ahmad says, "There are many pyramids in Egypt, but the Great Pyramids of Giza are the largest and oldest. These 3 pyramids are more than 4,500 years old. The biggest pyramid is built from 23 million stones, and each stone weighs about 20 to 30 tons. Then we enter one of the pyramids. Inside the pyramid, there are narrow and dark pathways. We move forward, and there are some rooms and also some stone coffins inside, but we don't have permission to go to all parts of the pyramid because it might damage these ancient artifacts. Many secrets of these pyramids are still unknown. After exploring inside the pyramid, we come out of it, and Ahmad says, "In other smaller pyramids, there are some writings on their walls. These writings are a series of prayers and spells that people at that time believed would help the kings after their death." Next to the pyramids, there is also a very large stone statue. It's called the Sphinx, and it has the head of a human and the body of a lion. Some parts of it are damaged. People at that time believed that this statue would protect the Great Pyramids of Giza. I go next to this statue and take a few pictures of it. It was an excellent trip. Egypt is a historical country that attracts many tourists every year because of its ancient monuments.
Interesting vocabulary and expressions. Before we practice our speaking skills, let's learn interesting English words from the story we have just covered to improve our English.
The verb explore means to search and discover something. Example: we plan to explore the forest this weekend to see what animals we can find. Ancient means very old, from a long time ago, like from 3,000 years ago. Example: the museum has many ancient artifacts from thousands of years ago. An expert is a person who has a lot of knowledge or skill in a particular area. Example: she is an expert in marine biology and knows a lot about sea creatures.